Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Noodles.
And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the
mail.
Today we've got a package from
Noodles.
Yep, this one came from the US, from down in California with the a-sha Foods USA folks. This is made in Taiwan. Let's crack it open and have a look inside. Ooh, let's take this out of the box.
Ooh,
So not long ago, I got a box from a-sha that had a pack that I haven't tried yet, but it also came with a red box. And that red box, I thought was this. So there's two varieties of, this. There's two different varieties of this one. There's the red box one, which is available year-round in places in Taiwan. And then there's this one that's only available around the holidays. Now, I said the red box had Australian Wagyu beef. No, this is the one that has that. And I'm gonna tell you right now, that red box one was mind-blowing. And so I'm absolutely thrilled to try this one pretty quick. This is gonna be good, I'm pretty darn sure. So so thanks to the folks at a-sha for giving me some information on this and sending this along. And this has been Hans, and this has been
Noodles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye. Goodbye.